Happy New Year, my sweet little glammies. I'm so happy to see you. We are almost to the end of 2021. And to celebrate, we're going to use one of the colors of the season, which has turned out to be brown. And brown is always a big fall winter color, but this year it's very big. So instead of the traditional black, we're going to do a full set of brown nails to celebrate the New Year's. I am pretty excited about it. I usually don't think too much about New Year, but I'm really hoping things are going to be awesome. So now on top of all of these brown ones, and I just went on ahead and finished those off camera, we're going to come in and do the traditional sort of clock face. I really like that look. I feel like I really need to practice my numbering and stuff to make this even better next year if I choose a clock face next year. But I'm doing it a little off center so I don't have to do all the numbers. I'm tricky like that. We're going to cure that for 60 full seconds. The pinky and a bunch of other ones are going to have that beautiful brown glitter. That brown glitter is actually what that, and the color being so popular right now, is what inspired doing it in this color. I got that in that set a few months ago or weeks ago, whatever it was, and I've not used it yet. So now all I'm doing right here is creating some silver star, a silver star. Two of the nails are going to have some stars. I'm just going to show you the one, make it quick and simple and easy. Guys, I'm sorry this video is a day late and a little short. Okay, I'm going to come in and make my little numbers. We're just going to do a 3 and a 6. Hand numbering and lettering, not my best skill. Okay, so yesterday at the doctor, at the eye doctor, I should have anticipated that he would want to dilate my eyes. I didn't. Now, using that same brown glitter, we're coming in and making another star. But he did, and since I live so close, I figured it would be fine. And he didn't tell me before he dilated them that it could take up to a day for them to go back. And almost instantly, as soon as they started dilating, my vision was just a mess. Now we're going to add just some swooshies. I really am thinking of the stars and the swooshies together as sort of a fireworks display. I'm not sure if that's reading to you, but you let me know in the comment section below. The appointment was good, but guys, I need bifocals. How disappointing is that? I'm really disappointed. Although he did say my vision's not very bad, but I do need bifocals. So I'll show them to you in a short or something when I get them. Okay, so as you can see, I added some of that glitter to the clock face nail. And now we're adding some streamers. These wavy lines to me just, you know, when there's like a ticker tape or a streamer situation, that just a parade situation or a New Year's situation, if you will. I love the streamers. So this is my nod to streamers, or ode to streamers, or interpretation. That's a much better word. That's my interpretation of streamers. We're going to do another one here. We're also going to add some to the clock face nail. So anyway, I picked out my glasses. They'll be ready. She said they're running about 2 to 3 weeks right now, but I did make sure that everything was going to be on this year's insurance plan so that next year I can get a second pair just to be safe. And my daughter has a Sam's Club, so I think we're going to run over there because they have those cute Elton John glasses, and I was on their website and they're good priced, so I should be able to get a pretty cute pair in the cost of my insurance, right? I'm not trying to spend more. I'm just not right now. There are nail supplies to buy, okay? But I want a cute pair, something cute. And then the pair I got from the doctor can be sitting at the nail desk, right? Right, that can be the nail desk pair. Or whatever, maybe it matches an outfit better. Anyway, new glasses are on the way, because really I've just been wearing cheaters, like just little dollar store readers, and it's not good enough. It's not good enough anymore. And he did say that driving at night, because of my stigmatism, will be much better. So now I'm gonna also ring this clock face in black. We're just gonna give it a little black border. As I'm looking at it, I feel like maybe I should have taken it further. You let me know what you think. Guys, this is top coat time. I want you to really notice how beautiful that brown silver glitter is with the top coat. It just, look at that as it shifts and pops and moves. Oh, I love it. It is so pretty. The plain silver glitter is pretty as well, but that brown with the silver, the tiny, tiny silver glitters, that is just, that's next level to me. I really love that. And honestly, that polish, like I said earlier, that is really what drove the color selection of this set. And this is the finished set, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this set. I think it came out pretty cute, but I'm not sure if I should have taken it a little further. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Don't forget to click the buttons. I'm gonna see you here tomorrow. I'm gonna work on my nails the rest of today and work on a video and get that uploaded. So we will see you then. Bye-bye.